Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
I don't think anybody can deny that we are in the biggest change that's going to come to this earth in any of our lifetimes, and it's going to surpass that of the digital revolution, and it's called the artificial intelligence revolution. It's part of the Washington, D.C. script. It's part of Silicon Valley. Heck, Bill Gates has jumped into it even, and they're recognizing the necessity to supplement what NVIDIA has brought us. And as a result of that, we are going to see the next NVIDIA. What do I mean by that? I mean the next stock that is going to be recognized, that it's going to deliver such capability to make artificial intelligence possible, to make advanced computing possible beyond what NVIDIA does. That's right. It's a new chip company. It's not a new company. It's been around in Silicon Valley for years, but they have developed the technology that is going to supplement, if not replace, that of NVIDIA. What does that mean? Well, the chips that NVIDIA make right now are on such demand they can't keep up with it, and they sell those chips for about $40,000 a piece. Well, this company has come up with a better chip that's more efficient, that is twice the productivity of NVIDIA's chip, and everybody that knows about it is jumping in. Bill Gates has bought it. Apple has bought into it, Microsoft, everybody who needs chips has already placed their orders. I've placed my order by putting $50,000 into this company because I believe that's going to turn into $500,000 in a matter of 3 to 5 years. I've done the research, I've gotten all the information on it, and I want to tell you, first of all, who the company is, and then I want to share my research with you because I want to help you become a multimillionaire. And it depends on what you start out with, but really you need to be starting out with something in this company that's going to change our world. I want to share, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my knowledge, my research, the amount of work that I put in with you so that you can have a better life. That's my goal. 3 parts. Number one, to help you make a better investment decision. And this is a better investment decision. Number two, help you keep more of what you make, because where you invest this is very important. If you can put it into a Roth IRA, you'll get to keep all that capital gains as tax-free money. And then third is to build family wealth. If you aren't going to need this $500,000 that I'm going to show you how to make, maybe you can leave it to your children. But first of all, let's get the disclaimer out of the way.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
I found this, I've researched it, I actually found it about 2 months ago, and I put a substantial amount of my portfolio into it, and then I just yesterday added to it and brought it up to $50,000. What I'm talking about is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. That's right. It's a chip company. Probably before the end of the year, they're going to introduce their own chip that is going to supplement, if not replace, the NVIDIA chip. NVIDIA's basically sold everything they can make for the next several years, and so this is going to step up. The beauty of it is it is twice as productive of that as NVIDIA's chip, and for those who are saying we can't get enough of NVIDIA's, this is going to come in probably about the same price of about $40,000 a piece, but it's going to have twice the power, twice the computing power, and this is what Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, this is what they're looking for, is a way to get that compute power up to deliver on the demands that you have for artificial intelligence. It's going to affect every part of your life. I was talking to someone about how I bought a computer on Amazon. I'm going to be able to go onto Amazon and explain to them exactly what I do, that I make videos for you every day and put them out, and they run about 14 minutes long, and they use so many megabytes of data, and they're in color and this and that, and I'm going to say who is the best computer for me, and it's going to come back and give me 5 choices. I'll then dig in and say, well, let's compare it based on price, which is the best. And then I'm going to say to Amazon, give me the pros and cons on each one of them. And then I'm going to say, take me to the page where I can buy that and have it in my house within a week. That's going to be the world that you're going to live in. Whether you're buying toothpaste or a computer, it's going to give you the ability to communicate with the world and get better answers for your questions. And I want you, again, to emphasize, you need to buy AMD. There's a couple other stocks you need to buy, and you'll find them on my cheat sheet. You'll also find on my cheat sheet all the information that I've gathered on AMD, a breakdown of my research so that you can read and you can know what I know and everything that I know so that you can make, as I said, number one, the best investment decision. Again, how do you access that? You come to my website. That's bestofusinvestors.com. You come to the page down, and you're going to see where you can join our tribe. You can come in at $4 where you just talk on the Discord with other people. You can come on for $20, and that's where you see my trades and you get trade alerts. But if you want access to my full portfolio, if you want access to my research on the 32 companies that I believe that are going to change the world, where I rank them for buy, sell, hold, or strong buy or strong sell, that's where you'll find that on my cheat sheet. And that's where you're going to also find the access to the total research that I do on every stock that I own so that you can, number one, do what? Number one, what? Make an informed investment decision. That's going to be under the platinum. All that's under the platinum level. You're also going to, if you're so inclined, going to be given access to Mark's swing trading program. I use a lot of that, what I've learned from Mark, in my analysis, and you'll see it. I check the graphs. I see the support levels. I see where the MACD is and the Scholastic is to help me not only decide what stocks I want to buy, but at what price do I want to buy them? Where do I see that support level where I can go into AMD and get it at maybe a $10 better price, so that maybe my $50,000 doesn't turn into $500,000, it turns into $600,000. That's the quality of what I'm delivering to you. I'm inviting you, first of all, do your research, your due diligence, and you to determine if you don't think AMD is the moonshot that I believe it's going to be. Make your purchase, make your decision, but come join our tribe. We're turning this into a team sport where we gather our information collectively and make better investment decisions. And I want you, I'm looking at my analysis right now on my computer screen. I want you to see it. And then I want you to become a member of our tribe. In other words, get on the bus.